everyone. Welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Parabolic SAR indicator strategy. Use the strategy, make a lot off daily profits in the binary trading. Now let's go the indicator section and select the indicator use off. Acceleration 0.03. Max acceleration 0.5. Go the next section. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. Today, we will be discussing and profiting from Parabolic SAR indicator strategy. Use the strategy, make a lot off daily profits in the binary trading. The Parabolic SAR indicator, developed by J. Wells Wilder, is used by traders to determine trend direction and potential reversals in price. The indicator uses a trailing stop and reverse method called SAR, or stop and reverse, to identify suitable exit and entry points. Traders also refer to the indicator as to the parabolic stop and reverse, Parabolic SAR, or PSAR. The Parabolic SAR indicator appears on a chart as a series of dots, either above or below an asset's price, depending on the direction the price is moving. A dot is placed below the price when it is trending upward, and above the price when it is trending downward. There are lots of things to track when using the parabolic stop and reverse indicator. One thing to constantly keep in mind is that if the SAR is initially rising, and the price has a close below the rising SAR value, then the trend is now down and the falling SAR formula will be used. If the price rises above the falling SAR value, then switch to the rising formula. Trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.